I'm with the Galavan. This is the Galavan. It is a 2015 Sprinter, and I had it built out so that I could live full-time on the road, mostly in public lands. So I spend my time between mostly BLM land and National Forest Service land, and live off the grid. I've got solar, I've got water, I've got everything that I need. I'm with doTERRA Essential Oils, and I consult with people with their health goals wherever I am. I chose to add a Bike Friday to this setup because I didn't want anything outside my van. I wanted to be able to have everything that I had with me inside, so I didn't have to worry about people stealing stuff or damaging things or it looking like a huge RV. And the Bike Friday fits in perfectly. I use it primarily for just transportation to and from places like if there's tight parking in a city and I want to be able to go into the city center, I'll grab my bike and use it as a little shuttle. There are some cities where I'll just park my van. I stay in Corvallis sometimes. Another place that I've done that is Durango, Colorado. Just really super bike-friendly places where I'll just park my van for the week and I'll use my bike as my complete transportation. So come on inside, let's see it. All right, so in the van we've got a lounge area. Both of the front seats flip around so I can actually seat 4 people, and I've got a little tripod seat that can seat a 5th in the aisle. I've got a little table starred behind the bench. I've got a full kitchen in here with a great sink, water filter, an instant pot for cooking, as well as an induction burner for cooking, a fabulous marine fridge that it's one of the best features of the van. I've got a closet under my bed, along with spillover pantry, because I'm kind of a food hoarder, and a full-on queen-size bed with a natural latex mattress. And yeah, it just has everything that I need. I don't have a storage container somewhere. I don't have a home base anywhere. I just live out of my van. Check out where the garage is. So here is the bike. It fits in here perfectly. When I'm traveling, I strap it in. I've got water here, cords and hoses, storage over here. So a typical garage, right? I love the bike because it's light and it fits where I need it to fit. All right, ready to ride.